Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to do leg bounce. So first I will show you the trick, then do a step-by-step explanation, and then show you in slow motion. So this is what leg bounce looks like. So obviously you want to learn how to do leg before you do this trick, and this one does require a lot of practice, so be patient with learning this one. So you want to start off by just learning how to do one toss. So basic parts of this toss is that you want to pull the string tight against your leg when the yo is in the air. So when you're doing leg, you toss it, pull the string tight against your leg. So like, you don't want there to be any loose string. You want it to be completely pushed against your leg. So it should look like a V, kind of like that. So then when the yo-yo hits your string, you want to cushion it just a little bit. So you want to let some of the tension off of the string on like the side that the yo-yo is on. And then you want to just toss it back. So when you're tossing it, you don't want to toss it diagonally. Like you might think, oh, it's going back this direction, so you want to toss it diagonally. You want to think about just making it a regular toss with just your right hand. So if you think about a toss, you're going up and out, right? And you're tossing it straight up. You want to give it that same motion, except it's only your right hand. So by tossing it straight up this way, the yo-yo will actually go diagonally, and it should look pretty good. So doing leg, get one toss and back. So again, you want to catch it and then toss it straight up. So my arm here is going up, so I'm tossing it like that instead of like that. Okay? So toss it like that. You want to give it a little bit of pause. You want to like catch the yo-yo a bit, let it change direction. Because if you try to go right off the string, it gets kind of tricky. So give it a little bit of a catch before you toss it. So once you can do one toss, like consistently, try adding a second toss in. So 1, 2. The left side will be a lot trickier than your non-dominant will be a lot trickier than your dominant side. So this will probably take a while. But yeah, just get the second toss down and just try to mimic your right hand, because your left hand isn't going to want to do the same thing as your right hand. So like you'll go here and you'll go like that. It takes a lot of practice again. So get the second toss down, and then after that you should be able to do it consistently, consecutively without dropping. Like that.